In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get idea of what people are looking for on your channel that can help you create new videos. So if you want to know content ideas for your YouTube channel, then let me show you, because YouTube has tools that can help you get new ideas tailored towards your channel and in line with what people are looking for. Now, if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So now there are two ways you can get these ideas. One is through analytics. So if you go to analytics, you'll see we have an option here called trends. So if you click on trends, now you'll see get ideas for your next video. And down below here, we have quite a number of what people are looking for that can help you create new videos. And you can even click on show to get more ideas of what people are looking for. So if you click on show all, you'll see under that category, we have a lot of them here. So we have here ideas for what people are looking for and also ideas for making shorts. So that is the first method. In the second method, just go to content here on your YouTube studio and then click on inspiration. Now, if you click on inspiration, you'll be able to get ideas for your next videos. And as you can see, there are many, and these are tailored towards your channel, and therefore you can pick one or two from here to create a video. And the good thing is, each and every day when you come to these tools, you will get fresh and new ideas. So that's how you can get ideas and trends that can help you to create your next video. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.